say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacate.
Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Unless you're new here, it's so nice to meet you. My name is Lyss. If you would like to become a part of our internet family, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I would love to have you here, and I know everyone else would love to have you here as well. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell below to be notified every time I make a post. For today's video, I'm showing you how I get this slick back pony. This is my vibe for the summer, you guys. The pony, a nice little glow, just like the light makeup, the hoops, like this is all summer 2K18. Oh my god. I'm loving this right now, especially since I live in a hot area. It's so nice to put my hair up and have it out of my face, but I also want to feel cute and chic when I'm doing that. I just don't want to have a regular ponytail. I want to feel like, you know what I mean? Welcome back to my living room. What's up? Alright, to start off this hair look, first of all, do you see where I have bobby pins trying to like pin down my side bangs, I call them? My baby hairs. Whatever. We're gonna start off by straightening our hair. I know, my hair looks, listen, it's because I have so much just of my natural hair root happening. My hair gets greasy so quickly. We're gonna go ahead, ew. We're gonna go ahead and brush this through. Oh my gosh, also I like rarely ever brush my hair like with a brush, like a real brush like this. Wow. Oh, this feels so good on my scalp. The best time to do this hair look too is when you either need to wash it, your hair's just really greasy. Cause look, my hair's already staying flat back, which is great. Not just cause my hair's greasy. Yep. For the most part right now, my hair's already pretty straight, but we're just gonna go through and just make sure that it's all good to go. So I'm just gonna kind of do it in half because I don't need this to be perfect. Just pin it off, we're good to go. My natural hair is getting so long, you guys, look! That's my natural hair! My hair hasn't been this long in like 3 years. We're gonna take some heat spray, heat protectant spray. Yes. This one smells really good, it's by Dove. I'm just gonna split it in half. I'm just going to just pull it through because my hair is already pretty straight as it is. Oh, it's not even on. So now we're gonna wait a minute. Okay, well, while we wait, you wanna make a nice coffee with me? Okay, come with me. There's my mess. Make a nice coffee, little break. That's a good angle, you know? Woo! Big glass, lots of ice. Pour it once, pour it twice, and more ice. Hell yeah. And just like that, my straightener's ready. Now we're gonna go through the hair and just ever so gently. Wow, gorge, stunning. Wow, gorge, stunning. I'm gonna do it to the top. I'm just gonna split it down the middle. Oh, that's not the middle, but it's fine. Whatevs, you know, it's cool. Woo-hoo-hoo. You know how to straighten your hair. I don't feel like I can really give you much explanation for this part. You guys, I need to get my hair done so bad though. The ends of my hair are getting yucky. I haven't got my hair done since January. It's almost June. 6 months. Thank goodness I did the Rudy look this time instead of the straight across line because I almost went full blonde before I came down here, like my old platinum blonde, like all the way. I'm so glad I didn't. So glad I didn't. Okay, cool. Now that our natural hair is finished, biggest trick for this look is extensions. I really am a big extension girl. I'm a big advocate for it. I just have some extensions here. They're already pre-straightened, so you don't have to watch me do that as well. This is kind of a mix of different blondes, so it gives you some dimension here, but it's gonna look really nice when you have extra hair in here. So I just have a few. I have a few individuals and then 2 longer. I have a 3 clip and is this a 4 clip? A 4 clip. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go upside down. So we're gonna start by, I'm gonna go about my ear length, I think. Right there. And we're gonna clip upside down like I said. I think I'll do the 3 first. And you're just gonna clip underneath like that. So that way, when we're pulling the hair up for the ponytail, it lays flat. Do you see what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna do another one right above that. Boom! I'm gonna go in with the 4 clipper here. I kind of bent it right here so the clips aren't so much on the side. Boom! Like that. You can kind of see this back here, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna go about here. Back towards the 2 individuals right here. Boom. And then I'm also gonna do one on the side over here. The weird part is like trying to figure out where. Perfect. And again on the side. So these ones I'm pinning in so they're just like facing back, not down or up, but backwards, like towards the back, if that makes sense. Boom. Now, this is when we're gonna go to pull our hair up. The hardest part, honestly, is the underneath and trying to get that flat so you can't see any of the extension. So my biggest trick is to just get like a brush like this or something and to gently brush it up so that way the hairs will begin to kind of separate and cover up as much room as possible. Then we're also going to do this on the sides as well, because of course we are. Oh man, I should have brought water here. Now before I do anything else, I'm going to get my hair wet. Hopefully, here, I'll turn this so you can see. Hey! I'm not sure if you could see me over there, but I just got some of my hair wet just so it can go back like this. Now, for these looks, I always like to go for a thick band. The thicker, the better. You can wrap your hair around it if you would like to cover that up. And I'm just gonna pull at it like this. Woo! Okay, and if anything kind of shows up, if any extension shows up, all you have to do is pull your hair over it and you're totally fine. Now, oh my god, I love this ponytail so much. Next, I'm gonna go in with some different, oh, you know what I need that I don't have out here right now? I'll be right back. I always do like a mix of different products, but Amica, I don't know how to pronounce this brand, and this is not sponsored. They sent me this thing called HIGH, and it's their new molding blend. So, I'm gonna see if this will help with the sleekness of my hair. That's what it looks like. I'm also gonna go with my tried and true, which is my Way Finishing Cream. I just know that I can trust this with my whole soul. Put it between the hands. Gently bring it back. We're gonna pull it underneath as well. I'm gonna pull it down the ponytail. Hold the pony up. Now, I'm going to hairspray this down. See these hairs sticking up? My baby hairs right there. Now, this is when two things are gonna happen here. First thing, I'm gonna bobby pin these baby hairs of mine that always come down. Bobby pin them back. I'm gonna take out this ponytail so that way I can pull up. Because when I was just brushing it back, I was getting all those little, it was getting weird on the end by the ponytail, and I want that to be covered up. There we go. Boom. Did you guys like this video? I hope you did. Thank you so very much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see in the future. I'm so curious, what other hair looks would you like to see? Would you like to see any other slick hair looks? Oh my gosh. You guys, I need to get my roots done, but I kind of like how this looks brown and then my hair is a different color. Is that weird? I don't know. Anyways, I love you guys so very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, you can see me back there. Can you see me? I love it.
And now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation.